everybody. Today we're going to be changing the side panel, the door panel, and our seats. It'll be a surprise as to what that is again, but this is what we have right now. Ignore the central console, we're getting it customized, so this looks a little dumb right now, but yeah, just want to show the full picture. Looking pretty clean. Gonna look even cleaner when we're done. And that's the side. Alright, so now here's the progress we have done with one of the seats we took out. From when you have the seats installed, you see that there are 4 bolts here, and they're so hard to take out. You just really just have to muscle it out. There's no other way. But after you do, you just lift up the black flap that's on the bottom of the seats. Here, right here. You can just unclip it with this thing. And then you just disconnect those, and then you'll have a loose seat. Now to explain the difficult part, after you move the flap, this thing, the clip thing, you move it back. You're gonna see 3 clips, yellow, gray, but on this side it looks white, and then blue. And you have to remove all those to be able to remove the seat. I can't get out right now, but that's just all you have to do, and then once you do, you'll be able to remove the seat without any problems. Now we have a close-up of the before BRZ, and now the after. Yes, pretty much the same thing, same leather, same felt. And right here, just, you know, TS limited edition, you know, something light. All the stitching is the same, again, just like a different color scheme. But yeah, new seats, who this?